Video by Professor Seemo. Today we're gonna download Python, the Python program, the Python interpreter. Since Python is an interpreted language, we will talk about interpreted languages in a future video, explaining the process of how it's executing from writing the code to the processor. But not for now, since it might be a bit complex to some users, like some newcomers to programming, for example. So I don't want them to see complex stuff. It's not complex. It's all good. It's just an advanced topic for now. Okay, let's go to for Mac and Linux users. You will already have Python installed. Okay, just search for Python and you'll see Python. So I already have it installed for you guys, the Windows guys. Let's go to Google or your favorite browser, whatever. Just search for Python download. Python download Python. Download Python 3.9.7 or whatever version you're seeing right now. You're probably watching this video in the future. Run Python program. Okay, don't forget to add it to the path. It's very important. Maybe not that much. It is okay. Just add Python 3.9 to path. Install now. Okay. This Python interpreter, it's more like a translator. Okay. But where exactly do we write our code, right? We can write our code in Notepad. Actually, you can write it in a Word document. Just don't do that. I won't even show you in any future video. Maybe who knows? But just don't write your code in Word. Okay. Okay. So we can like write our code here. Can just we'll learn all this in a future video, for example. Okay. I can write. By the way, all languages can be written in Notepad, I guess. Okay. For Python, let's not use Notepad actually. We can use something called an IDE, an interpreted development environment, where you can write your code with extra features, you could say. Okay, just open a new tab. Search for Pycharm. Pycharm is not the only one, but it's my favorite. Okay, download Pycharm, Python IDE for professional developers. Okay, it is free. There is a free version for it, and there is a professional version. There are many other IDEs out there. So we will use Pycharm for this course. Okay, thank you for downloading Pycharm. Okay, till it download, it will take some time. Let's see Python. Okay, I'm pretty sure you have Python installed right now. Let's see. Step setup was successful. Okay, open. Oops. Okay. Open Python. Wow, this is Python. Your programmers. Okay, 2 plus 2 is 4. It is running. Is done. Okay, 3 plus 4, for example, is 7. You can also write Python codes from your command prompt. Just open your command prompt, write Python, just in case, write Python 3 to specify the version. Okay, for me, I'll write Python because I want to use the latest version. I'll write 3.9. Here we have Python running in the command prompt. It's a program. We are running this program in the command prompt. 2 plus 2. Oops. 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay. Now we just ran Python in the command prompt. We can also do it in PowerShell. Okay, I love running PowerShell as an administrator. It's not needed, but possibly. Okay. So see, you're running Python commands. Okay, as we said, we write our Python code in Pycharm. Okay, just wait for it to download. I already have it installed. Okay, so just pause this one. Okay, just hit the next button for everything. Yeah. Okay, let's talk about Pycharm now. Okay, here we have Pycharm. We'll talk about Pycharm in more details in the next video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe for others to learn. This was Professor Seemo, and thank you.